What if I told you that just $5 a day, the cost of a coffee, could turn you into a millionaire? Sounds like a scam, right? But it's not. This is the power of compound interest, and today we're breaking it down with real numbers, relatable examples, and a plan you can start today. First, let's talk about the math, the engine that drives wealth creation. We're going to explore the power of consistent investing and how it can transform your financial future. Imagine this. If you invest just $5 every day, that's the equivalent of skipping a daily latte. It adds up to $1,825 a year. Now, picture putting that money into a simple, low-cost index fund designed to mirror the overall market performance, and let's assume it achieves an average return of 10% per year. Something truly incredible happens over time. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building wealth steadily and surely through the magic of compounding returns. After 10 years of consistent investing, you'll have accumulated over $30,000. And here's the exciting part. That's significantly more than your total contributions. Why? Because of the magic of compounding, where your earnings start earning their own returns. But here's where things get truly wild and the power of compounding really kicks in. Fast forward to 20 years, and your initial investment has grown to nearly $115,000. The growth is no longer linear, it's exponential. And what about by year 40? Prepare to be amazed. Your initial daily investment of just $5 has blossomed into over $1.1 million. This demonstrates the incredible long-term potential of consistent investing and the power of compounding. Think of compound interest like a snowball rolling downhill. It's a simple yet powerful analogy that perfectly illustrates how wealth can grow over time. It starts small, almost imperceptible, but with time, consistent effort, and the ever-increasing momentum of compounding, it becomes a giant force of wealth, capable of transforming your financial future and providing you with the security and freedom you've always dreamed of. You might be wondering, who has 40 years to wait to see a return? It's a valid question and one that many people grapple with when considering long-term investments. But here's the catch, and it's a crucial one. The earlier you start investing, the significantly less money you actually need to invest overall to reach your financial goals. Let's illustrate this with a simple example involving two hypothetical people. Alex starts investing early at the age of 20, making small, consistent contributions of just $5 a day. This might not seem like much, but the power of compounding over time is truly remarkable. Now let's consider Taylor. Taylor waits until they are age 30 to begin investing, perhaps feeling more financially secure at that point. However, to catch up, Taylor invests double the amount of Alex, putting in $10 a day. Despite diligently putting in more money each day, Taylor ultimately ends up with less accumulated wealth by the time they both reach retirement age. This highlights a fundamental principle in investing. The core lesson here? Time is, without a doubt, your single greatest asset when it comes to building wealth. Even if you're not currently 20 years old anymore, starting your investment journey today is still incredibly powerful and beneficial for your future. Every single day that you wait to begin investing, the potential snowball effect of compounding interest loses speed and momentum. Don't delay. Start building your financial future today. So, where do you start? First, choose a reliable investment platform. Look for one with low fees and options like index funds or ETFs. Then automate your contributions. Set it and forget it. And don't panic over market dips. Over decades, the stock market has always trended upward. Ride the waves, don't jump ship when it gets choppy. Think about it. People spend $5 a day, sometimes without even realizing it, on things they forget within hours. That daily latte, the afternoon snack, the impulse purchase. These small expenses add up quickly, becoming significant drains on your financial resources over time. We often underestimate the cumulative effect of these seemingly insignificant expenditures. But that same $5, if invested wisely and consistently, can buy you freedom, peace of mind, and maybe even early retirement. Imagine trading those fleeting moments of gratification for long-term security and the ability to pursue your passions without financial constraints. It's about shifting your perspective from instant gratification to delayed, but far more rewarding satisfaction. You don't need a big salary, a finance degree, or a lucky break to start building wealth. You just need discipline to save consistently, time for your investments to grow, and a few dollars a day to get started. The power of compounding interest works its magic over time, turning small contributions into substantial assets. It's a marathon, not a sprint, and consistency is key. That's the real millionaire mindset, understanding that wealth isn't about luck or privilege, but about consistent, disciplined action over time. It's about making conscious choices today that will benefit your future self. So what are you doing with your next $5? Because your future self is watching, and they'll either thank you for the sacrifices you made today or wish you'd started investing and saving earlier. The choice is yours, and the time to start is now. Don't let another day go by without taking action towards securing your financial future. For more mind-blowing truths about money, science, and the future, follow Bright Mind and join the journey to a smarter life. Subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and connect with us on social media to stay updated on the latest insights and strategies for building a brighter future.